Hey everyone! Today, we're focusing on laptops. Ideal for coding, writing, and multitasking. If you're a coder, writer, or multitasker, this is for you. Let's dive in. First, consider key specs. For coding, a powerful processor is crucial. Look for Intel Core i5 i7 or AMD Ryzen 57. More cores enhance performance when compiling code. Minimum 8GB RAM is essential. 16GB is recommended for smooth multitasking. A solid-state drive SSD is non-negotiable, speeding up boot times and responsiveness. Aim for at least 256GB storage. 512GB is ideal, especially for large files. A dedicated graphics card isn't always needed for coding, but is helpful for virtual machines. Consider an NVIDIA GeForce or AMD Radeon card if needed. For writing, the keyboard is a top priority. Find a laptop with a comfortable, responsive keyboard. A larger screen is beneficial for seeing more of your document, reducing scrolling. A matte display reduces glare and eye strain. Battery life is crucial for on-the-go writing. Aim for at least 8 hours. Multitasking requires a fast processor, ample RAM, and a fast SSD. Display size and resolution matter. A larger screen with a higher resolution allows multiple windows side by side. A good trackpad makes navigating easier. Consider multiple USB ports and a USB-C port for peripherals. Laptop recommendations for coders. The Apple MacBook Pro is popular due to its processor, excellent keyboard, and macOS. The Dell XPS 15 is another great option. For writers, the HP Spectre X360 is fantastic, known for its design, keyboard, and battery life. The Microsoft Surface laptop is another great option. Other considerations: operating system is a personal preference. macOS is user-friendly, while Windows offers wider software compatibility. Consider build quality and portability. If you carry your laptop, a lightweight and durable design is essential. Set a budget. Research, read reviews, and compare prices. Choosing the right laptop impacts your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy computing. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of laptops, focusing on what makes a great machine for coding, writing, and multitasking. If you're a coder, writer, or someone juggling multiple projects, you know a laptop that can keep up is crucial. Let's break down the key features. First, the processor. This is your laptop's brain. For coding and multitasking, you'll want at least an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5. An i7 or Ryzen 7 will give better performance, especially when running multiple apps. Consider the number of cores and threads. More is generally better. Next, RAM or random access memory. Think of RAM as short-term memory. For coding and multitasking, 16GB of RAM is a sweet spot. It allows you to run multiple apps without slowdowns. If you work with large datasets, 32GB might be worth it. Storage is another critical aspect. Solid-state drives, or SSDs, are a must-have. They offer much faster speeds compared to traditional hard drives, meaning quicker boot times. Aim for at least a 512GB SSD. The display matters for writers and coders. A crisp, clear display reduces eye strain. Look for Full HD 1920 by 1080 or higher. For writing, a larger screen can be beneficial, but make sure it's portable. Color accuracy isn't as crucial, but a decent color gamut is a plus. Now, let's talk keyboards. This is where writers spend most of their time. A comfortable keyboard with good key travel is essential. Test it if possible, or read reviews. Backlighting is helpful if you work in dim environments. Portability is key if you're on the move. Ultrabooks are great, but sometimes sacrifice performance. Consider the weight and size. The operating system is also a choice. Windows is widely used. macOS is known for its user-friendly interface. Linux is popular among coders for its flexibility. Battery life is crucial if you're working on the go. Look for at least 8 hours of battery life. Actual life varies depending on usage. Finally, some specific models. The Apple MacBook Air with the M1 or M2 chip is ideal for writing and coding. For Windows, the Dell XPS 13 and HP Spectre X360 are great options. For those on a budget, the Acer Aspire series provides solid performance. In conclusion, finding the perfect laptop involves balancing performance, portability, and price. Consider your needs and choose a laptop that meets them. Happy coding, writing, and multitasking.